Hey guys, Karen with Curl House. I'm a licensed cosmetologist, a certified trichologist, and the owner of the Curl House hair product line and the Curl House Academy Let's Get Growing program. And today we are going to talk about henna. Are y'all curious about henna? I have gotten a lot of questions from people who have asked me to create a video on henna. And I thought, okay, sure. But guess what, y'all? I have been on YouTube for a very long time, and I came across a video that I did in 2012. Yes, that was 12 years ago that I created on henna. And guess what? The information is still the same. So if y'all don't mind, I'm going to cheat a little bit today, and I am going to drop my 2012 video on henna into this video so that you can learn all about it. In this video, I not only talk about it, but I actually do a demonstration on how to use it, what type of henna to use, and where to get it from. Now, I will say the only thing that I didn't say then that I will say now is that for those of you with gray hair, be careful. Henna is not a color that you can dictate what color it's going to be. Henna in and of itself, natural henna, has a red orangey hue. So if you have gray hair and if you want to put henna in your hair, please know that it is not going to turn your hair black. It is going to turn your hair color a copper reddish shade. Please know that it's beautiful, but it's not going to turn your hair black. All right, so I'm going to head over to the video so you can learn all about henna. So henna is a plant-based color. It is not a dye. Henna is a stain. So what it does, it coats your hair. Henna does not lift your hair, so it's not going to take your hair from black to light. Henna's not going to do that. Henna will just enrich your current color. So if your hair is naturally dark, the henna will make your dark colored hair even richer. If you have gray in your hair, henna tends to leave a orangey reddish tint. So if you have gray in your hair, henna is going to highlight your gray by making it reddish or orange. Another benefit to henna is that it conditions your hair. So henna is known for its great conditioning properties. If you're looking to soften and manage your hair over time, henna is fabulous for that. Now, in terms of the drawback of henna, one of the drawbacks from what people have reported is that using too much henna over time will cause your curl pattern to loosen. So actually, that could be a drawback to some. It could be a pro for others. If you have tightly coiled hair, you want to loosen up that curl pattern a little bit, henna will be great for that. But that doesn't hold true for everyone, but some people have reported a loosened curl pattern. So this is the recipe for a henna glaze mixture. Okay, now what follows, you'll see an actual demonstration of a henna application. So I recently did a class on color and I did a henna demonstration. So the video footage next is the footage which actually shows me applying henna to a woman's hair. Let me go back. Okay, so we're going to take that water and pour that water in there. And then we're going to take some conditioner. It doesn't have to be the best conditioner. It's okay. You're going to follow up with the deep conditioning treatment. Okay. So you're going to put some conditioner in here next. Like I said, in terms of the consistency, it's about, when you're doing it for the first time, you can measure it out. So a half a cup of water, half a cup of conditioner, but you can also just wing it like me. Now you want to mix it up because you want to like a batter-like consistency.
So that's like half the packet, Karen?
That's a little more than half.
Okay.
You see? It's nice and disgusting. It
It look like mud.
does look like mud. So I'm putting a little more conditioner. And Nita, we can't, if it's not loud enough, I can record over it.
Baby loud.
Okay. And what you don't want it to be, the goal in terms of the consistency, you don't want it to be too runny because then it's going to run all down your neck. But then you don't want it to be too thick either because you'll never be able to get it on. So we're just kind of winging it, thinning it out. Okay. Y'all see this consistency? Yeah,
It
like
does.
cake.
I would agree with that.
Okay. So this is the consistency. Okay. So half conditioner, half water. Mix it up. Okay. Now we're ready to apply. In terms of application, just part your hair, depending on how thick your hair is.
So you put it on, would you put it on dry or wet?
Wet.
Wet.
So you want to wash your hair
Okay.
first. So this is going to replace your conditioner.
Okay.
So wash your hair first. Section it off. Okay. And I know you can't see it, but when I come up further, you'll see. You just taking a section of your hair, a small section, put it on from root to tip. Just like you apply that relaxer that I know y'all did at some point. Okay. And you're just putting it all through it. Okay, so after the henna is applied, make sure that you put a plastic cap on your hair and wrap it up. Put a plastic cap, you can put a scarf on it. Henna works best if it sits on your hair for a while. So a while could be anywhere from 4 to 12 hours. So what a lot of women do, they will put the henna on at night before they go to sleep, put on that plastic cap, put on another plastic cap, put on a scarf and sleep on a pillowcase that's old that you don't mind messing up, and let it sit in their hair all throughout the day, all throughout the night, and then rinse it out in the morning. So when you rinse it out, when you do that initial rinse, I recommend that you rinse it out in the bathtub, or you even do the initial rinse in your kitchen sink so that that henna is not splashing everywhere as it would do in the shower. So after you have done that initial rinse, you got most of the henna out, get in the shower and rinse it out and add a conditioner to it at least 4 times. So in other words, rinse, add a conditioner, scrub with the conditioner, rinse that out, and do it about 4 times to make sure all of the henna is out. And after you do that, follow up with one of your deep treatments. Put in a deep treatment, sit under the dryer for about 20 to 30 minutes, rinse that out, and voila, your hair will look and feel fabulous. And also another benefit of the henna is that because it coats your hair, sometimes it will make your hair look thicker and fuller because the hair is coated. So if you have fine hair, henna is a great substitution to most color because it's natural and it also coats the hair, very similar to what a rinse does. And as a matter of fact, where to purchase henna? If you live in an area that has an Indian store, you can go to an Indian store and purchase a box of henna for about $2 or $3. There are also several sites online that you can go to purchase henna, Amazon being one. Again, the henna that I recommend is Jamila henna. I know you can get that at Amazon, but even if you Google it, there are countless stores that sell henna. Just make sure you are getting a natural henna because some places make fake henna, so be mindful of that. But I know Amazon carries it, or you can go to a local Indian store. So guys, I hope you enjoyed going down memory lane with me back to 2012 when I actually recorded that video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you're someone who's looking for an amazing product line that's going to help with both hydration and growth, I encourage you to consider the Curl House product line. I am actually in the process of a rebrand now, so I'm relaunching my products in a few months. And if you would like to be notified about my relaunch, I encourage you to join the wait list. I'll pop it up above and I'll put it below. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up, like the channel so that you do not miss a video in the future. And until we talk again, stay fabulous.